Okay.
If you align and activate the 7 chakras properly, which I take classes of also, if you align and activate them, 85% of your problems will be solved. 85% of your problems will be solved.
Okay.
Now, having said that, I definitely like to say that I do hold chakra classes online at the moment. I'm holding them.
Okay.
And let me make it very clear that they are paid classes.
Right.
I will give you the number. You can contact me only if you're interested, because it is not free. I'm not going to give this GAN free.
Right. Right.
So if you're, because people, when I've given numbers, when they say it's charged, then they say, oh, okay, we'll let you know. So we don't want all that. Make up your minds that you really want to go into the spiritual. You want to know about yourself and my existence. If you really seriously want to know about it, only then think about it and call me. I'll tell you the number. You can type it out also if you want. The number is 98200 86786. Okay, got it?
Yeah. I'll just even put in the comment box and a description. No worries.
Yeah. So that is I mean, it's of course it's a paid job. It's not something which is.
I agree.
Yeah.
Yes. So, as you are into auto writing, I want to know, and even listeners and viewers want to know, what is auto writing? Frankly speaking, I've heard this first time. Okay. And I've not searched on Google. Me search ajibat nahi kela. I've not at all anything gone through it, but I wanted to hear from you itself, and I wanted to learn from you in short, what is auto writing, and how do we implement, or how we can do it?
So auto writing is connecting with the souls who have passed over, with people who have passed over, who have left their physical body. You connect with their soul. That is what is called auto writing.
Okay.
Now I am a medium. People like me are called mediums who can connect with the soul. Now this is given to me as a vardhan or a boon from Prabhuji, from my first master.
Okay.
I have not learned auto writing.
Okay.
And because I've not learned, I can't teach auto writing. So I don't teach auto writing.
Okay.
It just comes to me. I've been doing it for the past 22 years. Whereby I connect to the people who have passed over. And why is this auto writing done? It is a healing process.
Okay.
It brings about a closure with people, the souls who have gone, departed souls, and people here. Because sometimes what happens suddenly when somebody just leaves, or even if it's a ailing person who leaves his body maybe after 2-3 years of maybe being in coma, this, that, and the other, whatever. There are a lot of things which you want to rectify. Most of them are in a state of remorse. Most of them are in the state of sorrow, sadness. They want to ask for forgiveness. All kinds of things are there. There are so many other things also. So they don't get a chance to talk. So the soul then what happens, gets stuck in the earth space. जिसको बोलते हैं ना, हम आत्मा को गति मिलनी चाहिए, तो आत्मा को गति मिलती नहीं है, मूव नहीं होता है सोल आगे. So auto writing is done anytime actually after the person is moved over. But I wait usually for at least 13 days because the pain is too much, the sorrow is too much. Okay, so I wait at least for 13 days and then I tell them to come to do auto writing with me. And people think that, oh yeah, we are disturbing them, and some people get scared. It is nothing to be scared of. I always say you get scared of human beings, not of the souls. They can't do anything to you, poor guys.
Okay.
So that's when auto writing is done, and I have utmost respect for the souls. A lot of people take appointments, cancel appointments. I have to say sorry to the soul because the soul is waiting to meet their loved ones. So it is not correct to do something like that. So if somebody is coming to me, please see to it that you'll make up your mind and come. You can ask me questions before you take the appointment or whatever it is. Again, this is a paid session. It is a paid session. तो पता चले कि मेरे घर के बाहर इतनी बड़ी लंबी लाइन लगेगी, इसका भी देखो, उसका भी देखो. It's not just fun and joke. I have got a lot of utmost respect and care for the souls. So it is not just done everywhere.
True. So, how many students you have trained till now, and how was your journey till now with your trainings and workshops?
I with my chakra classes, I've trained n number of people. I have
Okay,
no.
okay,
I must have done a lot of workshops also. I've been doing them for a very, very long time. Motivational
okay,
talks I have been given for a very long time. I've trained chakra people for chakra students for a long, long time. Um,
okay.
but for them to become a chakra practitioner or a facilitator like me,
Hmm.
they have to undergo a lot of tests and exams because it's not easy to
Right.
teach chakras.
Okay,
Yourself,
okay.
you have to be a pure channel, a clear channel. अपने आप पे
Mm-hmm.
काम बहुत करना पड़ता है. That is why you see there are very few chakra teachers, very, very few. There are
Right,
very few
right.
auto writers. Yeah, very few auto writers because you have to be a very pure and a clean channel. It's not
Mm-hmm.
something which you learn here and you teach here tomorrow. It's not done something. It's not like that. But I do take classes. There is no such thing as for your chakras change your entire life. You have to at least know about yourself. And once you
Mm-hmm.
know, there's a huge shift that people go through after they've done the class. Huge shift.
Okay. So, can you give me a super, super duper example that, after these seven chakras, who are, explained by you, or you're given training, or,
Again, you're frozen. After the,
after the seven chakras, they are trained by the seven chakras, and they are, getting into that seven chakras and seven energies. What is the super duper example you would like to give, that, pehle to ye aisa tha, whoever is the person, and right now the big change is this.
see, Pratik, this is all energy.
Hmm.
It is not something कि मैंने ये खाया, आइसक्रीम खाया, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. It's not something so
Okay.
physical. You're
Mm-hmm. Right.
working on energy and the
Inner.
energetics of the whole thing, the inner self.
Okay.
So this is an experience. Energy you have to experience. Energy you can't explain and define.
Mm-hmm.
You can't
Right.
quantify, you can't define. So unless you do the class, you will yourself know. I don't have to know what has happened to that person. You will
Mm-hmm.
yourself know what difference you go through.
Okay.
So I
Okay.
can't tell him कि okay ये अभी तो इसको सिंग नहीं थे, चक्रा के क्लास के बाद में उसको सिंग होगा. ऐसा नहीं होता है.
Right. Okay. True. That's true. So it's all about inner, knowing inner yourself and upgrading
Yes,
yourself from inside. Right. Okay.
absolutely. Upgrading your inner self. Correct? You use the right word.
Okay.
Yeah.
So does multitasking work? How do you support, or, multitasking? Because according to me, there is no multitasking. There's only one work you do, or you do multiple works, but splitting your concentration part into multiple works. So
Yeah.
actually multitasking doesn't happen.
True.
It's all about where is your focus and where is your work open. Right now, if I'm doing this interview, my 100% concentration should be on this interview only. It's not about, you're just noting down somewhere again, and while the interview is going on, you're just looking somewhere else or thinking something about else. So does
Hmm.
multitasking work, or do you suggest multitasking for the
I
people,
don't.
or no?
I don't
Okay.
at all. Because I
Okay.
prefer, I mean, that's what spirituality is. You live in the moment. And in
Right.
this moment, what I'm doing, I am 100%, I have to be in this moment.
Hmm. Right.
Sometimes a simple example of multitasking, what you can do is when you're driving, you're looking at the signals, you're looking at the road, you're looking at the traffic, and yet you're changing gears and changing.
True.
So
Right.
sometimes you have to get into that zone of looking all over, but depending on the task that you're doing, that is
Hmm.
only driving. Now only driving demands all these things out of you, but when you're driving, you're not dictating to someone else, to about something else. While driving, I can't take a motivational class.
Right.
तो ये ड्राइविंग के दायरे में जो फिट होता है, that you have to do, that is multitasking in the daira,
Hmm. Hmm.
in
Hmm.
that
Okay.
yeah, in that, only in that field, in that sphere,
And the circle. Okay.
in that circle.
True.
So that if you call multitasking, yes, then that is multitasking. You're doing that. But
Hmm.
I don't believe in talking to you just now, and yet I'm thinking of something. Oh, I'm telling somebody else. Then I'm talking, I'm telling somebody something. I don't believe in this because I feel I have to give you full attention if I'm talking to you. It's you
True.
just now, and that is what the focus is. And
True.
in multitasking, you will mess up everything else that you're doing also.
Mm. Right. That's what.
You
Not even a single work is done properly.
exactly,
Right.
exactly, because there's no
True.
concentration on one thing at all.
Right. Okay. So, as part of the women side, I want to. I have so many queries as we have a women network, and I've got
Mhm.
so many worst and negative experiences from women. Such kind of like divorce, you can say. Okay. So why does the divorce happen? And if the divorce happens for some good reason, you know, many women get confused. Ki, should I really do this or not? Okay. And if I do this, what will be my life? They don't see it actually totally. Most of the women, they are financially stable nahi rehte. So what do you suggest to that woman? And they are literally going through some distractions or some pain in life from the husband or some, you know, that what I'm talking about, like husband's family. So
Okay. Now,
what are the, yeah,
yeah. So when it comes to divorce, thank God I come from a little older generation and not your youngster generation because आजकल
the
people don't have any.
possibility was less that time.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely possible. We were told to tolerate. We
Yeah.
were taught how to tolerate. Abhi now tolerance is threshold is only 0. Anything little bit
Mm,
happens, they'll pick up their bag and they'll go away. That is not an answer to every solution, to every
right.
problem. That is not a solution.
Right.
Now my master Dadashiji always says is it's you all want to take a divorce, fine, take a divorce. But what he says is when you're taking a divorce, first resolve the fight that you're fighting about.
Mm,
आमने सामने बैठो, resolve करो fight. After having resolved the fight, then take a decision. Which was such a superb advice because
mm,
sometimes when you resolve it, then you feel ki, what is this? What am I fighting about? This is all
right.
rubbish. Or
True.
sometimes you feel ki, no, this is a real major issue between two of us, but at least there is no animosity between the two people.
Mm,
They're still
mm,
friends, they're still good to each other, they're still nice to each other. There is no division of that कितना पैसा वो मेरे husband से लुटना है मेरे को, बच्चों का क्या है, I will not give. It gets very dirty. So
mm,
at least that will not happen.
right. Right.
So resolve the fight, sit with each other, and then take your decision. So then the
Mm,
decision is a fine, whatever the decision is, then it's a leave it to God.
mm, mm. Okay.
Is my
Okay.
advice to who's planning or thinking of a divorce just now.
Okay. So do you think that after divorce, again, a woman should get married or not, or it's a personal opinion from each and every person?
That is
Because
their personal thing.
society is a major part, plays into that again. Society, लोग क्या कहते हैं, सब में जाना है उनको. They are everywhere, and most of the 99% they are into negative space,
Yeah.
negativity.
See, if you think of what somebody else is going to say or somebody else is going to rule your life, then it is your decision, it is your life.
Mm,
ये क्या बोलेगा वो क्या बोलेगा उसके ऊपर आपकी जिंदगी नहीं निर्भर हो सकती.
right.